We are continuing with tutorial 2 for the spring 2022 semester, and we are continuing with quiz 3. Some portions we have done, and we will continue with solving quiz 3 for you. So this was the question 2b for section 20, right? The question you have already seen that this is the copper silver phase diagram, and you have to do the phase analysis at 900 Celsius and at just below 780 minus delta T. And if you are listening to me now, then as I said that you have already solved it once again as a practice, and now you will proceed with this. So just remember now that it is 80 weight percent silver. 80 weight percent silver. This is weight percent silver. So your line is here. Draw a vertical line here. Not 20 weight percent copper, right? Copper is the opposite. This is weight percent silver. So 80 weight percent silver. Some guys, I don't know, they drew lines on some very strange points. Majority of the class did it very right. So at 80 weight percent silver, draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line. At 900, draw a horizontal line. So when you are at 80 weight percent silver and at 900, you are 100% liquid. Then on 80 weight percent, just below 780, just below 780. So in the middle you have 80, on your right you have 91.2, on your left you have 7.9. Remember, it is not above, it is just below 780. So this is your line, and just below, so this is 80%, this is 91.2%, and that is 7.9%. And this is alpha, that is beta. So remember this, and then you have nothing to worry about. You are done, isn't it? So let us see. At 900 Celsius, phases present only liquid, composition 100% liquid. That is it, because this is just one point. It is just 100% liquid. There is nothing else, and so on. In composition, actually, I should have written 80 weight percent silver, and in mass fraction 100% liquid, right? So that would have been even a better answer. Phases present only liquid, composition 80 weight percent silver, the same composition as is given originally, and mass fraction 100% liquid. Next, the diagram. There is a circle and there is liquid, only liquid, nothing inside. So this is the diagram of the structure. The next one, 780 minus delta T, just below 780. So just below 780. So I have told you, right, the phases present are alpha and beta, just below. Composition of phases 7.9% alpha, 91.2% beta. So right, so if you draw a horizontal line, then 7.9%, 80%, 91.2%. Right, so then it is a very simple calculation. Weight percent alpha, 91.2 minus 80, sorry, this is 80. Right, this is 80. I have mistakenly written 88. So just correct it and correct the percentage also here. Then it means that we have asked for 80 weight percent silver. 80 weight percent silver. So 91.2 minus 80 upon 91.2 minus 7.9. This is the alpha phase. If you want to find the beta phase, it is the opposite of that, and so on. Right. So here we are not talking of eutectic or eutectoid or so on. We are just saying that just below this find alpha. So we know that this is just total alpha and so on. There is no eutectic and this and that here. It is a very simple question. And finally, but because you see above this temperature, above 780, whatever alpha you are forming is pro-eutectic alpha. And then just as it hits 780 and below that, then the remaining liquid sub changes into alpha plus beta, and this is eutectic alpha and eutectic beta. So in the diagram, this must be shown that these big chunks which were formed above 780 are pro-eutectic alpha, and the other one is mixed alpha plus beta, and that is eutectic alpha and eutectic beta mixed together. So right, so calculation wise a pretty simple thing, but just please don't mind my typo errors. That instead of 80 I write 88 and so on, but you should forget about the actual numbers here, but the process, right? So this is it, right? Quiz 2 we said that we will solve for section 10 and for section 20. And the first question, which is a mix of multiple choice and true, false, and so on, that is the same for both of you. So that we did, and then we did the question 2 for section 10, which was parts A, B, and so on. And then now question 2 for section 20, which is part A and B again, right? So this is it. So this brings us to the end of quiz 3. All the solutions are done, right? And in later videos, we will go to quiz 4, inshallah. Let me just leave you with a small, more enjoyable moment. A man was in his office, and he got too tired and so on with meetings and work and so on. So he said that for a couple of minutes, I will relax. So he made a call and said, "Hello, darling, how are you?" And then he got the answer, "What? You are in such a good mood? You are calling me darling? And what happened to the fight in the morning when you left for office?" He suddenly closed the phone and said, "My goodness, I called my wife." Joke is over. So that is it.